Hi, I'm Randall, and it's the last day of school, so here's a few clips of some of the shenanigans these kids got up to.
Ready, Bubba? I'm ready.
Yeah, for when?
Buddy, you put it too.
I'm the recruiter. This is Jackass. This is called the plywood cart maneuver. Send it, Bubba.
You want me to put it in front of the thing? I did not.
He was driving. Good thing I can edit this shit. Hey, Mason. Oh, dear God. I thought it was Mason. That's the worst one. Quit faking and get up.
Gotta make a blooper.
That was still. So, tell me about the little project you got going there. You should be embarrassed. It's not appropriate.
Oh my God!
Get it, girl.
Just leave it on the ground. Oh man.
Leave it on the ground?
Yeah.
No, put it.
Leave it on the ground.
And just cut it in half.
Yeah, she could. Step back, Jerry.
I would swing it that way though.
Let it down.
We got two of them, right? Okay.
Yeah, kinda. She got some of one. I refilled it.
Oh, yeah.
I refilled it.
Third time's the charm, Jewel.
Look about that.